don't stop, please don't stop the, please don't stop, please don't stop the music, 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 music. Please don't stop the music, 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 music.
So return to play running. We're doing 60 to 70% in this mid-arc sub-maximal effort, this athlete. And then we're gonna do 80 to 90%. So 8 reps total, 2 at 60 to 70%, and then 2 at 80 to 90%. All right, we're doing a basic shuttle run. We have no more than 20 yards here. The athlete is going to nice and easy with his decels and his plant and cut. And he's doing this for a full 60 seconds. And then he's gonna get a 2-minute break. So a basic 1 to 2 work to rest ratio, because we are getting back in shape.